Today we're making polvorones. Let me make this intro before I eat them all. Welcome to my channel. If you see me before, welcome back. Today we are making polvorones or mantecaditos, however you heard it before. They are Puerto Rican cookies. They are so good. I got the recipe from my aunt, the same one that gave me the pastelillitos, and I had to take a picture of the paper of it because this recipe has been around since I was like knee-high, and I feel like it's so sacred that I could not take the paper. So I took a picture of it and I brought it over here, and I'm making it now for you guys. So without further ado, let's get cooking. As always, all the ingredients are listed below in the description, but here's a sneak peek. First, we preheat our oven at 350. Now we start by mixing half a cup of Crisco and a whole stick of butter together. My aunt used to mix them together by hand, but ain't nobody got time for that, so I'm using an electric mixer. Just make sure your butter does not start to melt. Now I'm adding the sugar little by little, as well as the salt and vanilla extract. If your butter is already salted, you do not need to add salt. After that is mixed well, I'm adding the flour. Now the mix will start to harden and stick together, and also stick to the mixer, so you know you're doing right. Once mixed completely, I can start making little balls, about 1.5 inches in diameter. With your knuckle, poke a little dent on the top of each ball. You'll see why later. Alright, so these are done and ready to go into the oven. Big note, you want to do this quickly and never put the dough on top of here because it's going to get warm. If this gets warm, then it's going to be a problem to make into balls. See the difference between these and these right here? So try to keep it as cool as possible before you put it in there. And now, right before we go into the oven, we're going to put the sprinkles. We're gonna put the sprinkles right where we put that little hole. That's what the hole is for. That's what the little nub is for. See, so they can look nice and festive. I am by no means an expert. I try to do it as good as my aunt does, but I mean, she has years of experience. This is literally my first time doing it by myself. I used to help her do this, and by help her I mean I used to watch her do this or watch cartoons where she did most of it, and then, you know, help her out with like putting sprinkles. And I put these close together because they are not supposed to really grow much. So now we are gonna put these in the oven for about 20 minutes. Oh. This is so good. They're crunchy. They're everything. This with a cup of milk will hit the spot. What was I saying? I lost my train of thought. This is delicious. I hope you guys enjoyed this simple but delicious recipe. Don't forget to subscribe down below and like if you like this video, and stay tuned for more videos. Bye!